Alright y'all, just a quick review of this Wheeler bore sighting device. I got this the other day and it's going to be much better than the one I showed you previously with all the different fittings for the bore. This is a laser device. It seems to be well made. It comes in this nice storage case, form fitted. That's where the battery was. It has a rubber shroud here and here. Very well made. It's made out of aluminum. I don't know if that's aircraft aluminum or not. It is stout. The laser comes out here. I'll be showing it to you later. And it has a very strong magnet here. I suspect that this is a rare earth magnet, extremely strong. You don't want to leave this laying around on a workbench where there's screws and washers and that type of thing, because they will be immediately attracted to the magnet. The battery, it uses a lithium CR123 battery that fits in here. I'm not going to take it all the way off, but you just screw this off, drop it in, and screw it down tight. And the way this works, it's just a laser that shines a light. Of course, there's no curvature in that light. It's a straight light. And this is a green laser, and it merely sticks to the front of any barrel, and so it gives a straight line from the bore of the barrel to the target. And then your sight is up here, your scope, if that's what you're zeroing, it is in line with it. I'll go into it in a little bit more detail, but that is it. Very well made. I'm impressed with it. I have not used it. I will be using it. There's the laser. Simple on-off switch. It's considerably brighter than what you see there. But let's go have a look how it hooks to a rifle. Okay, y'all. Here's the device. Now you don't want to slam it on there like I just almost did. You want to start it from the edge and bring it across like that. Now that's as easy as it gets. And to take it off, of course, you just reverse it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You get it as close as you can. I'm going to eyeball it from the back side. Okay, like I say, you just eyeball it from the back side. Doesn't have to be perfect. All you're doing is lining up the scope with this, a level plane. And you turn it on. Alright y'all, basically that's what you're going to see. Now I'm having troubles, of course, with the camera because I'm trying to focus in on two different objects. I'm trying to get down the barrel of the scope and also the target I have set up down there, but that's what you'd see. It's going to be, the laser is going to be about 1.5 inches higher than the crosshairs, and you want to cut that distance by half. And it's because the scope sits up over the rifle. I do want to tell you that that laser is not as big as it appears. It is just a pinpoint. But that's the picture that you would be looking at, and then you would use your turrets to bring the crosshairs into line. You get the gist of it. This is a difficult shot for me to make, but I think it's going to work out quite well. Okay, y'all. Just in closing, looks like a well-made item. This is rubber shrouded, the on and off switch. That laser was a pinpoint like that on that target. I'll be using it outside and you'll get to see it sooner or later. But it's well made. I think I paid $116 for it, or $115.99, something like that. This is all rubber shrouded, nice heavy duty aluminum. A magnet that's not going to turn loose on any weapon, I can assure you. And that's it. Now, in fairness, Leopold does make one, and it does utilize a magnet that you stick on the end of the barrel, but it doesn't have the laser. When you look through it, all you see a grid, which is fine. But I've been wanting one of these lasers, and next time you see it, we'll be outside. That particular rifle I had it on was a Savage 93R17, and it hasn't been sighted in yet. But just a nice little addition to make zeroing an easier task. Appreciate y'all watching. Bye.